Fully Update YouTube TV tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the full update YouTube TV to avoid glitches and missing features.
So to get started, updating YouTube TV ensures you're using the latest features, fixes bugs, and improves streaming quality, but not all platforms update the same way. On Android and iOS, go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube TV, and tap Update. Or you can simply tap on the Update All button if you have different apps that you have to update. If it's available, you can also enable auto updates in your phone settings to stay current without thinking about it. On smart TVs like Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV, go to the App Store or Channel Store and check for updates manually. Most devices allow you to auto update apps in the background. Double check if it's turned on. If you're using YouTube TV in a web browser, updates happen automatically, but clearing your browser cache ensures nothing gets stuck. You can also refresh the site with Control plus F5 to force a hard reload. To clear your browser cache, all you really have to do is to click on these three buttons right here and then click on this delete browsing data. Once you delete your browsing data, this automatically also deletes your website cache or your browser cache. After updating, restart the app or device to make sure everything installs cleanly. A full update keeps performance smooth and removes playback bugs. And that's how you fully update YouTube TV.